On Saturday morning, Maya sees a bee moving from one marigold to another. She wonders, why does it visit so many flowers instead of drinking from just one? She watches carefully. The bee leaves a yellow dust on one flower and picks up more from another. Maya thinks, this little insect is carrying something the flowers need. In her neighbor's vegetable patch, tomatoes grow well where bees visit. But the plants close to the shed have many flowers, but almost no tomatoes. She wonders, do the vegetables depend on the bees' visits? At the market, she sees baskets filled with apples, cucumbers, chilies, pumpkins. She remembers bees visiting these plants in the gardens. She whispers, do most of the foods we eat start with a tiny insect helping a flower? She learns from her teacher that many crops grow only when pollinators visit. Maya wonders, what would happen to these plants if the pollinators stopped coming? On a farm visit, Maya sees a farmer checking leaves for insects that eat the crops. She wonders, how does he protect the plants without losing the whole field? The farmer shows her small bottles in his shed. He explains they are used to kill harmful insects. Maya thinks, so these liquids are strong enough to stop pests. The farmer points at half-eaten cabbage leaves. Maya wonders, if he doesn't use anything, will the pests finish the plants? She watches him mix a very small amount of liquid in a big tank of water. He says he uses it only when needed. She wonders, what happens if too much of this is used? She notices he sprays in the late evening when flowers are closed and bees are gone. Maya whispers, is he trying to keep something safe? Next morning, she sees a bee land on a leaf that was sprayed the previous night. She wonders, does any of the spray stay on the plant by morning? She watches another bee walk over a sprayed flower. Maya thinks, if bees carry powder from flowers, could they also carry something harmful? At a beekeeping stand at the fair, she hears a beekeeper say some bees come back so weak. He says they sometimes bring harmful things back to the hive. She wonders, could this be from plants sprayed at the wrong time? Back on the farm, the farmer shows her sticky traps and neem water sprays. These help without hurting bees, he says. Maya thinks, there are safer ways to protect plants too. Now, whenever Maya sees a bee on a flower, she quietly asks, is this plant sprayed safely or at the right time? She cannot unnotice how tiny pollinators help our food grow and how careful people must be to keep them safe. Watch life first, then open the book. Signing off from Cognitive Arc. Bye for now.